Yes, greetings to you. Hopefully you're doing very well. We welcome you to HBMS TV Talking Health. And just like we've always come live to you to share with you wonderful information about your personal health, today I felt it important to discuss something that is becoming very, very common among men and women. But before I get into today's discussion, I want to wish you a happy new year and all the best in the new year, that is 2023. I urge you to work out your dreams, your plan for the new year, to make sure that you can achieve all that you've been looking for all along in the new year. So happy new year once again, and once again I welcome you to HBMS TV Talking Health. So there is a habit that is developing, especially among the youths, and I felt it important that I should share something about it, and that is masturbation. Actually, you who didn't know, masturbation is very, very, very bad, and it is just the act of an individual stimulating his genitals. It could be a woman, it could be a man, just for sexual pleasure. And at times it can lead to orgasm, at times it may not lead to that. And it is very, very common among men and women these days. So today I want to share with you the 10 side effects of masturbation, or effects of masturbation that you didn't know. One is guilt. The moment or the time you feel guilt about something, then life can never be the same. You all know masturbation is not allowed by some religions, it's not allowed by some culture. So the moment you're doing it, all the time you're going to feel you're guilty. Then another one is the decreased sexual sensitivity. It is an effect that is going to come with the time, yet you didn't know about it, and at the end of the day it is going to even spoil your family or your relationships. That is masturbation. It decreases your sexual sensitivity. Then the other one is prostate cancer. Every time you masturbate, you're putting yourself at risk of developing prostate cancer because of that excessive ejaculation and all that. Then there is disrupting your daily life. You can miss work, you can miss school if you're a student, so it's not all that good to do masturbation. Then the other one is the addiction, which actually affects your sexual life. I've seen very many people losing their spouses simply because they're addicted to masturbation. Then it even affects your interpersonal relationships. Remember, in our life we keep associating with different people, so the moment you make it part of you, it is going to affect your interpersonal relationships with other people. Then masturbation also results into isolation. All the time you feel like people know what you're doing, so you keep like you want to isolate yourself from others. Then it also causes depression. Depression is very common in people who do that. It is as a result of guilt, then isolation, and at the end of the day, you're going to find yourself depressed. Then there is tenderness, that is to the men and women. If you keep stimulating your genitals, at the end of the day, you can have that pain which is there around your genitals. Then we can talk about edema. You end up swelling your genitals, they become big, they become edematous, and at the end of the day, even the blood supply to those parts can be affected simply because of the edema. So if you're out there and you've been taking this as part of your life, it's high time you stop it. If you've already experienced different side effects, just like I've shared with you, among others that I've not mentioned, you need to make sure you look out for 24/7, look out for RESTORLYF, look out for the LIVEN alkaline coffee. They will help you restore your normal health and sexual life. Thank you very much, and may God bless you. Have a blessed day. HBMS TV, talking health.